Oh, hi guys, it's Brad here. I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough on using assets for managing multilingual content. So I've got a brand new website here, and the first thing I'm going to do is look at the languages I've got configured. So I've gone to the Edit Translations page, and you notice there's a button here to manage languages. So I'll click on that, and you can see what I've already set up here. I've set up two for Arabic and French, and you can just add another language there with the title and the code. Okay, so the next step is to go to the Asset Manager and to create our default language asset. So we're going to create a text asset. This is going to go on the home page of our website. So that means it's going to be a web HTML type. And what I'm going to do is just put in a single column container and put some text in. Now you notice this actually gives us some Latin content just so that we can see something, but I'm going to write in hello world, make that a H1, hello world, so that's where we're going to see our translated content. So I'll press save, and actually I'll change the name of it to make that a bit more meaningful as well. So save that. Alright, so that's our default language content. So now I'll create one for Arabic. So I just click this language selector here, and you see it says I'm going to create Arabic. Alright, so it's copied the content in to help me translate it. So what I'll do now is hop over to Google, and I'm going to say translate English to Arabic. And let's see what's hello world is, and that's it there. So copy and paste in there. I'll save that. Alright, so now I can just return to my default language content and click to create French, and I'll get the there it is, Bonjour le monde, and I'll put that in there, and I'll save that. So if I go back to the Asset Manager, you can see I have the three assets now, the default one, the two translations. So the trick now is to reference them from a web page. So I'll go to Edit Web Pages. There's my home page for this website, and it's initially empty. So what I'm going to do is just put in a two-column container, just so that you can see a bit of layout. I'll drop a photo component in on the left. There it is, and now for the right, what I would normally just put the text component in if I wanted some text content. But what I need here is an asset query, or so that's this one here. If you put your mouse over it, it says displays text assets from a query. That's the one we want. Now I'm going to choose a single specific asset, which is my hello world, and I just see placeholder content here in the page at the moment. It doesn't render the real content until we actually view the front end. Okay, now we'll view that. There is one more thing to do, but let's take a look at that now, and then we'll see what that next thing is. Alright, so there is my hello world. Now the problem I've got at the moment is I can't actually change my language. So I'll go to so to do that I need to edit the menu component in the theme template, which is here. And I'll just click that checkbox and click save. So now if I refresh this page, I now have my language selector, and if I choose Arabic, you can see it's now giving me the Arabic language translation. Obviously if all of this text was translated, I would have that. I can also have translations for image assets. I just need to use a different asset component for that. And also there's the French translation as well. So that's the first part of building multilingual websites. Obviously the next part is to look at labels. That's so that things like these menu items up here and button text and things like that is translated as well. Okay, thank you for watching.